Okay, welcome back to Cuba's Automotive. Today I'm working on the 2000 Sable, Mercury Sable with the 3.0 dual overhead cam. But one of the things I wanted to do today was do a tool review on the Autool smoke detector, leak detector, smoke detector. It's a leak detector tool using smoke. This is the SDT206, and I got it from Autool, I believe. The seller was OBD DIY, and on Amazon I was able to get a discount, but also in turn for an honest review, so we'll see. But yeah, we'll go ahead and unbox this. Let me do this in Spanish. Come back. Are we rolling? Still good. Here is the tool. You want to back it up a bit. I don't know. It should come with the intake bladder and other ways to stop, I guess, like cut off ports and stuff like that. The reason I wanted this, I was going to get this either way, regardless of Autool's discount or not. I was going to get it. I know of other people who've gotten it so far, like Keith Fazio, Rob Dotterer, and a few other people, and they've had good success with this tool. The reason I got it is also because it's 12 volts, and compared to others that you need AC, I can use a car battery while I'm working on a vehicle to operate this. So there you go. You got the bladder, which I heard is not the best, but I already have some others on the way. Cones and a way to refill. Doesn't come with the fluid, does it? Oh, schnooky. Oh, poop. I was hoping it came with the fluid.
Okay.
Hopefully they have baby oil here, but I already have that on order anyway. Baby oil with lavender, because I know it seems better as far as smell. To me, the regular mineral oil is very, very harsh. So yeah, we have our connections, and we have a way to slow the flow down. That's your fill port. Okay, on and off switch, which is on right now. It feels heavy. It feels like it's going to be heavy duty. So smoke output, power input, the switch, and it has its own vacuum pump and everything else. It has its own pump in here, compressor pump. So lessen it, open it. Okay, cool. So that's your flow. And liquid meter, I have no idea. I'm going to leave that alone because I don't know. Does it even have instructions? Oh yeah, I did look at it briefly. So we see what else we got. It does have a hanger up top, and I can screw that in. So while my daughter is trying to grab some baby oil, I'm going to go ahead and do this in Spanish, and we'll be right back. I'll just talk about something. Okay, I'm going to plug this in. Good? Yeah. So I was able to go to the store, pick up some baby oil, filled it up. Hopefully this works. We shall see. So I have this plugged in. We still got connected to the battery. There is a liquid meter here, which tells you what the level is, like low, middle, okay, max. Can you see that? No? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to take a still shot and use that for Spanish. Okay. Good? So have it off. We'll connect the leads. I might have to bring it over here. Should hang it up from the top, but whatever. It's heavy. I don't need this hood coming down on me. You're good? Still good? Okay. Okay. And I still gotta get the hose in the back connected. Slacking. So we have that hooked up. I'm gonna switch over to the Spanish version. And be right back. Yeah, so I have this connected. Block off the ports here. And I adjusted it to kind of medium-low. Not still too big. Do I have a rubber one that's small enough? Nope. That's a negative. Unless I got this one of the little plastic ones. Oh God, I got one. Hopefully one of these guys. Oh mother. Okay, maybe I can go the other way. And then we'll try it again. Nope, negative. This is plastic. Is that rubber? That's rubber. Now pull this out and then put something in its place. There goes my mic again. Clamp for the mic stinks. But it's frozen like. Put it in here like this maybe. Can you still? Good? Okay. This here, that there. And this. All in the name of testing. Okay, so we have that guy plugged off. Hopefully it won't push it out. Okay, now it's going to come out of here. Okay, fine. We'll plug that up. We got the other PVC here. Okay, so it's coming out of the EGR, but I think that's normal. I was not expecting to see that here. I know some leakage is normal here, but to have that much, I don't know. Not that I know of. So plugging this, I'm plugging the PCV. That's the only other place it's coming out of. And it's not the gasket. Can you take a picture of my camera here? Go as close as you can underneath it. Quick. There's a bunny. Come on. Put the light on too and try it. See anything else? Can you put your fingers on these two things here? Yeah, that and this guy right here. I'm gonna look over here because I could have sworn there would be a leak over here, and there isn't. Holy shnipies! None. And then that's connected. Okay, you're good. So hopefully that's my issue. You okay? Hopefully that's my issue because I've had this IAC code that I could not figure out, which I knew the IAC wasn't bad. That's not the issue. I had control over the IAC. It's just that the problem is that there was unmetered air. And I couldn't find where it was coming from because everything seems to be tight. I don't hear any hissing. I don't hear a vacuum leak. But so far, I love it. And it's holding pressure. Unless this is wrong. It's not holding pressure. What the heck am I talking about? Yeah, it can't be holding pressure. Yeah. Okay, so the gauge is somewhat inaccurate. It's telling me I have about a PSI here, or pressure, when there is none. If that's the case, I'm not sure. I'm going to turn it on again and see. Yeah, pressure. 5 PSI. 10 psi, 15, and 20. Luckily, it looks like I can minimize enough to use it for evap, because you know you don't want to put too much pressure on an evap system. I'm able to smoke it. I'm trying to see how low I can go. psi, yeah. It's like I have to add it and then let go, because otherwise it's just too high. I'm curious. Alright. A lot to smoke there. So, yeah, so far I'm quite happy with this. I'm quite happy with this. Smoke mode and air mode. So you can turn off things individually. Smoke, on, off. Compressor, on, off. Interesting. Yeah. Cool. So, yeah, so far, just initial review, I think this is pretty cool. I'm liking it. You also have to keep in the back of your mind not to use this for too much time consecutively. So far, so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys got information from this, found it informative, and I'll let you know if that was the case. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Welcome back to Cuba Automotive. I just wanted to add this little tidbit to the video. I realized when I was editing there was a few things I had in the Spanish version, not in the English, and vice versa. So one of the things I wanted to show. Overall, I think I do like this machine, the smoke machine. But one of the things you have to be aware of is evap. This is a very high flow and high PSI compressor. So if you're going to use this for evap a lot, I would say use a step down regulator for the output on this. So that way you're not busting seals in the evap system, like canister and stuff like that, purge. Yeah, you only want to go up to maybe 2 PSI, maybe 5, I'm not sure, but yeah, you don't want to have high PSI on systems like that. So myself, what I was planning to do, just pulse the pump just a little bit here and there, because apparently it doesn't go so low. I think that the lowest it goes was like 10 PSI, and that's way too much for an evap system. And I'm just warning you guys, this is a good system. That's just one of the warnings. Another thing, like, this is heavy duty. I feel like this would last a long time. The case seems to be easily removable. It's metal. Everything is metal, which I like, and Phillips screws everywhere. So if something had to be repaired, I think this wouldn't be too bad. I'm so tempted to just open this up and just to see how the internals look. One of the things was I wanted to show how to put this hose on. I mean, I'm sure most people can figure it out, but whatever. I'm going to show it. So this hose, okay, you'll get the machine, and it'll have this little fitting here on there like this. Yeah, it'll be on there like that. Okay, screwed on. You'll see that there's a nipple that comes out. You stick it on there. Oh, put the fitting on here first. Think of it like a compression fitting, and then go ahead and stick that on there, and Bob's your auntie. So simple as that. I'm sure you could probably put the regulator onto here, thread it on. I'm not sure what the fitting is on the inside, But yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and grab a Phillips, and I want to open this up. I'm just curious. Oh, right there. You know, the other thing I don't like about this particular unit, it is the lack of case for it. Like, there's no way to make it portable. Yes, it's portable because you can use the jumper cables and everything. 12-volt system, no problem, power up that way. But the thing is, there's no tote. So right now, what I've been doing is putting it back in the main box. And I'm seeing oil here, so what's that about? You're leaking on. All right. So it's got a little bit of a leak. But anyway, that's one of my pet peeves about this particular unit. So that could be better. And like I said, I did go out and order the spare bladder, and this bladder is one that has replaceable rubber. But yeah, the one that came with it is not replaceable or not fixable. Serviceable? All the above. Let's see what we got going on. I'm so curious. Cool. It's really cool. We have the circuit board, which does have Celastic, a clear like Celastic or a silicone covering the connections, so that's cool. Nothing's going to rattle off. And it's somewhat protected from moisture. You have two relays I see in here. Some solenoids. Compressor. But actually that just looks pretty good of a system, heavy duty. Metal, very basic. So I think worst case scenario, this is serviceable. So check valve. And looks like the pump, the compressor pump has a compressor in line. So it won't backfeed. Let's say if you have something pressurized, it won't backfeed into here. So that's cool. So yeah, I think this is a pretty robust unit and worth the money. The coating on here too, the paint and everything is feels like an enamel, and that should last fairly well, really long. So yeah, I think definitely worth it for the cost and portability. So I wanted to add that, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you to the next one. Bye.